The question given here is that 1 mole of an ideal gas at 300 Kelvin in isothermal contact with surroundings expands isothermally from 1 liter to 2 liter against constant pressure of 3 atmosphere. In this process, change of entropy of surroundings delta S surrounding is in joule per Kelvin is asked, and these are the options given. So first we'll write down what is given to us. Given is number of moles is equal to 1, then the temperature is given to be 300 Kelvin, the initial volume is given to be 1 liter, the final volume is given to be 2 liters, and the pressure is given to be 3 atmosphere. So here it is also given that the work is done against a constant pressure of 3 atmosphere. So constant pressure, which means it's an irreversible process. And work done in an irreversible process is given as minus P delta V. This is one of the formula that we'll be using. The next formula that would be using is the first law of thermodynamics, which is delta U is equal to Q plus W. And lastly, to find the entropy, we'll be using this formula, delta S is equal to Q by T. So let's start with the solution. So as I mentioned earlier, the work done in an irreversible process is given by minus P delta V, which is equal to minus P delta V is the change in volume, V2 minus V1. So that will be equal to, therefore the irreversible work done will be equal to minus 3, V2 was 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3 liter atmosphere. But the units in which we are asking the question is joule per Kelvin. So we need to convert liter atmosphere to joule per Kelvin. We know that 1 liter atmosphere is equal to 101.3 joules. So therefore our irreversible work done becomes minus 3 into 101.3, which is equal to minus 303.9 joules. Okay, and in the question it is given that the ideal gas expands isothermally. So for an isothermal process, the delta U value is taken to be 0. Okay, so let's plug in the values in the first law of thermodynamics. Delta U is equal to Q plus W. Therefore delta U is given to be 0. Q is what we'll find out, this is the Q of the system plus the work done. So therefore Q of the system is given by negative of the work done, which is equal to 303.9 joules. But in the question we are asked to find the entropy of the surroundings. So delta S surroundings will be equal to Q of the surrounding divided by the temperature. So here what we need to find is Q of the surroundings. So Q surroundings is equal to minus Q system. So therefore can find Q of the surroundings as negative of Q system, which is equal to minus 303.9 joules. So next we plug the value of Q surrounding and temperature in the equation of the entropy. We get delta S surrounding equal to minus 303.9 divided by 300, which is equal to minus 1.013 joule per Kelvin. So if we go back to the options, we can see that minus 1.013 is the C option, so which is correct. So our final solution after the calculation, we get delta S, the entropy of the surrounding, to be equal to minus 1.013 joule per Kelvin, which is given by option C. Thank you.